Here we will discuss about the new form of marketing called digital marketing. This new form of marketing utilizes internet, digital technologies, and interactive media to achieve business goals. It's the cost-effective marketing way to expand the business and explore customers. To stand out in marketing campaign, there are 4 marketing strategies recommended. Number 1. Video marketing. Number 2. Content marketing. Number 3. SEO marketing. Number 4. Media marketing. Now we discuss benefits regarding these strategies. Through these strategies, marketers can drive more traffic with high-quality content delivery or iContents sharing on social platforms. Another benefit is to reach target audiences and improve conversion rate. Now are you ready for your business to use digital marketing? First, have a clear concept about business brand products and services. Then choose suitable marketing strategies explained here accordingly. Thank you for watching.